Optimizing your logo design for SEO. Why Logo SEO matters. Your logo is a crucial branding element, but it also plays a role in SEO. Optimizing it properly can improve search rankings and user experience. Since search engines prioritize speed, accessibility, and relevance, a well-optimized logo can contribute to better visibility. The role of logos in search rankings. Search engines use various factors to determine rankings. Logos help establish brand identity and credibility, making them an essential asset for SEO. When properly optimized, logos contribute to better indexing and can appear in search results, improving brand recognition. How Google interprets logo images. Google relies on multiple factors to understand images, including file names, alt text, and structured data. A descriptive file name helps search engines recognize the logo's purpose. Alt text enhances accessibility while providing additional context for indexing. Implementing structured data can further improve logo visibility in search results. Best practices for SEO-friendly logo design. Choosing the right file format. The right file format ensures that your logo remains high quality while loading quickly. Common formats include PNG, best for transparency but larger in size; JPEG, smaller file size but lower quality; SVG, scalable and lightweight, ideal for modern web usage. Using SVG files is often the best option, as they maintain clarity on all screen sizes and support search engine indexing. Optimizing logo size for faster load time. Large images slow down websites, negatively affecting SEO. A well-optimized logo should be compressed without losing quality, properly scaled for different devices, cached to reduce server load. Use tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim to compress images without sacrificing clarity, using descriptive file names and alt text. Instead of using generic file names like logo.png, opt for something descriptive such as brand name logo.png. This small tweak helps search engines associate the image with your brand. Alt text should be concise and descriptive. For example, brand name official logo, blue and white design. This benefits both SEO and accessibility, making the logo understandable to screen readers and search engines. Implementing structured data for your logo. Structured data helps search engines understand website elements. Adding organization schema markup with your logo URL allows Google to recognize and display your logo properly in search results. This small addition can enhance your search presence and improve brand visibility. Common mistakes to avoid in logo SEO. Many businesses overlook logo SEO, leading to missed opportunities. Avoid these mistakes. Using excessively large logo files that slow down page speed, failing to add alt text, making logos invisible to search engines, using non-descriptive file names like image1, PNG, neglecting structured data, reducing visibility in search results. By following best practices, you can ensure your logo supports overall SEO efforts. Conclusion. Optimizing your logo for SEO helps improve search rankings, brand recognition, and website performance. By choosing the right file format, optimizing size, using descriptive file names and alt text, and implementing structured data, you can enhance visibility and user experience. Small changes in logo optimization can lead to better search engine results, making it an essential part of your SEO strategy.